Hi guys, it's your girl Lashina McElroy of Design by Diamonds, Events, and Decor. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining me today. So this is my very first collaboration with another event planner who reached out to me, my girl Chaquilla Love of Amor Creations. And I am just over the moon about it. Thank you so much for the opportunity to work with you for your clients. And definitely will not be our last collaboration. So I am super excited about tagging you guys along. You know, as I always say, tagging you along, bringing you along for the journey. Your girl has been booked and busy. If booked and busy was a person, it's your girl, okay? But really, seriously, you all, you know I like to have fun. Definitely, please continue to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Definitely bringing you more and continue to support your girl. Let me know how I'm doing, okay? I'm working hard out here in these event planning streets, okay? Bringing you exclusive content. Stay tuned as we go ahead and go into today's event. Going into the venue.
You ever been here before?
I've never been here before.
Yeah, it's a nice little place. You know, it's a selfie thing now.
Okay.
So it's they got like so they cocktail hour. They'll be doing like the selfie thing
Down
downstairs.
there. While you flipping it
Yeah,
forward.
yeah, yeah.
Makes sense.